Stop using 5 different AI tools to make one video. What if I told you there's an AI that isn't just an assistant? It's your own personal AI director. Today, I'm showing you Mootion, an AI that can take a single sentence and automatically handle everything from script writing to storyboard generation and the final animation. It's the world's first agentic video creation experience, letting you generate a full video from just one prompt. And of course, I've included a special link in the description that offers a limited time discount just for you. To make this video huge, 2 things are happening. We're finally announcing the winners for the Google Pro and Ultra accounts. And we're launching a brand new giveaway for the powerful AI Director tool I'm reviewing today. But you have to pay attention. The winners of the last giveaway and the rules for the new one will be revealed at random moments during this video. If you skip, you miss out. Let's see what this AI Director can really do. Alright, so this is the Mootion AI interface. As you can see below, there are quite a few pre-made templates available. Among them, some very useful ones are Science for Kids and History for Kids. Here, your recent projects are displayed, and below that is the gallery. The gallery also functions similarly to the templates, but it's a bit different. On the side here are some options in the sidebar. Now, the main tool here, and the one I like the most, is its AI video creating agent. Look, I've simply given it a prompt. Create a short video explaining the concept of cryptocurrency for beginners. Now, the platform's agent will do all the work by itself. As you can see, its director is first creating the entire video structure. It will handle everything itself. The scripting, the visuals, the animation, each and everything will be done by its agent. All you have to do is provide a single prompt. As you can see, it has created the entire structure for my video. Here, you can select the language. I have kept it as English, but you can choose whatever you want. Below that is its aspect ratio. For now, I have selected 16:9, and below that is the visual style. What style you want the video to be in. There are many options here, but for now, the default cinematic style is what I've kept. There are many options you can choose from based on the video you want to create. Below this, I'll click on Continue Generating. Now, the screenwriting has started, meaning the scripting for it has begun. As you can see in front of you, the entire script has been written. This means you don't have to do anything. You just give it a prompt, and it does everything for you. Now you can see it has created all the visuals related to our script on its own. Below, it's asking if you want to animate these scenes, or just keep them as images. For now, I'm selecting No, but we can change this later. I'll explain the whole method to you one by one. I've selected No for now, and now you see it has given us more options. You can choose the style for your main title. There are many options here, so you can select whichever you like. I'll just select this one. Below that are the subtitle styles for the video, and here are the scene effects. What kind of effect you want to add to your images? I will set this to mini zoom. Further down are the transitions for when it moves from scene to scene. I've set it to fade in and out. And here is the voiceover list.
Life is like a box of chocolate.
The only true wisdom
is in knowing you know nothing.
You can choose a voiceover according to your preference. I will select Andrew. Below that are the avatars. If you want to select an avatar, you can, but I don't want to, so I'll select No. Now I'll generate it. As you see, the entire video, with its 24 scenes, which means it has added 24 images, is in 1080p HD resolution, and this is the video's duration. Now this is the entire video, which it has created with a single prompt. Let me show you a sample by playing it.
Once upon a time, in a quaint little town named Technoville, lived a curious and brave young girl named Lily. Her village was filled with stories of treasure kept in old banks, where everyone...
So, you see how beautiful and perfect a video it has created. Now, there is an option, Edit Project. We can edit anything. Here, on the side of every scene, the script is written. You can see the video for all 24 scenes, and their corresponding lines. Now below here, if you look, for example, if this is a frame, let's select this one. Now here you see the Regenerate option. If I'm not liking this scene and I want to regenerate it, I simply click on Regenerate, and it will replace that scene with my new regenerated scene. You can regenerate any scene you don't like in the same way. Now, if this is a frame, for example, I'll show you. This is a still image. I want to animate it. Here, you can give a prompt for the animation. Here is the high quality option, which makes it faster and the quality is higher. So I'm not giving any prompt for now, I'm simply clicking OK. Now what it will do is take this static image and prepare an animation for it. And look, my animation is ready. I'll simply play it from down here. And you see how naturally it has created a B-roll, meaning it doesn't look like it was AI generated in any way. Now, there are many more options you can use. I'll select this frame here. Now, look here, there's an edit option. When I click on edit, I will select the modify option. Here, I'll select a certain area. This is for if you want to add or remove something from your frame. I've simply selected this area with the brush, and here I'm writing a small orange tabby kitten, so I wanted to add that. And look, after I generated it, it has added a kitten to the image in a very nice way. You can make further adjustments according to your preferences. Here, I click on Next. There are several more options available. This means if you want to change your title and subtitles and want to change your effects or change the transitions, you can do it here. After that, you have some background music also available. So, I'm going to select this background music. You should also review your selections one more time like this. And after doing so, I will click Composite. When I composite it, our entire video will then be ready. I will show it to you one more time.
Once upon a time, in a quaint little town named Technoville, lived a curious and...
So, you can see how beautiful and what an excellent, perfect video it has created. Now here, if you want to download it, simply click on the download option and your video will start downloading. So this is its most amazing feature. It got your entire video ready from a single line. Now, I'll go back to the home screen. Here, as you can see, there are templates for history for kids and science for kids, and many more templates, which are very good. Now, I'll select the history for kids template, and here, I'll give it a simple prompt, like, what was the American Revolution? I'll keep the language as English. This time, I'll set the ratio to 9:16. And here, in the same way, you can select any visual style. I've selected the photorealistic visual style. You can choose whatever you like. I'll simply click Generate, and the video will start to be created. I'll go to a new tab and show you another template. This time, I'll choose the Faceless Short Videos template. Here too, I'll give it a simple prompt about Abraham Lincoln. Here, I'll come down to the visual styles again. This time, I'll choose a different visual style, like the anime one. You can select Pixar art or any other style. I've selected the anime style because many people like it. Similarly, you can select the tone here. I'm keeping it neutral. Now, here you see our visual for the American Revolution video is ready. I can simply animate them all, because right now, these are all photos. As I told you before, they are static images, but I want to add animation to them. Now come again here is our second video about Abraham Lincoln. You can see all its scenes have been generated with the script. I'll click Next. Here you can again adjust the titles, subtitles, effects, transitions, voiceover, and background music, and then simply click Composite. Now it has started generating our video. Now back to our first tab. Here is our American Revolution video, ready.
Once upon a time, across the vast ocean from us, there was a big and beautiful land full of new opportunities called America. In the 1700s, 13 little colonies existed along the east coast of America.
So, you see, this video is completely wow. I just gave it one line in front of you, and based on that, it created the entire history-related video for me. This is our Abraham Lincoln video, which is also ready.
Born on February 12, 1809, in a humble log cabin. Lincoln's early life in frontier Kentucky shaped his character. He educated himself through reading despite limited opportunities.
This means I use two different templates to show you that it's very easy. You can increase your workflow by 10 times using this without needing a video editor or a scriptwriter. Everything is in one place, within a few minutes. All right, let's return to the home screen. Here, I'll show you one more fun thing. Down here is the gallery option. Now the gallery is also simple. It's like a template, but the difference is that everything else will remain the same. We just need to replace the story in the gallery with our own story. Simply, You can see this is a story. Let me play it for you.
On a bright, sunny afternoon, young Alice sat on the riverbank with her older sister. She was growing bored with the book her sister was reading, as it had no pictures or dialogues.
Now, let's say I want to use this. I'll click on Use. Now what happens here is that I only need to add the prompt for my own story, and everything else will remain the same. The visual style, the voiceover, the music, etc. So here I'll simply given it the prompt for my story. Now everything else will stay the same. It's not that we can't change it. We can change it according to our preferences as well. I've simply entered my story's prompt and clicked on Generate. And it has started to generate our story. And here is our final video.
The moon hung ominously in the sky, casting a pallid glow over the decrepit old mansion nestled deep within the woods. This was the infamous Cartwright Manor. She planned to write it.
This is the complete review of Mootion AI. Here, I'll make an announcement that everyone has been waiting for. I will be giving away this Mootion AI account to one of you from my audience. For the giveaway, you simply need to like this video, comment below, and you must follow us on Instagram. As soon as this video reaches 500 likes, we will announce our giveaway winner. So, today we are going to announce the winners of our giveaway for the Google AI Pro and Google Ultra accounts. As you can see, the time here is 7:51 a.m. Okay, I've even refreshed it to show you. Here, we will open the random comment picker. First, we'll go to the video where we announced our giveaway, and we will get the link from there. Okay, after copying the link, we will come back to the random comment picker website. We'll open it up. Here, I will paste my link, and after pasting it, I will fetch the comments. As you can see here, I have included replies, and I have turned off duplicates, meaning duplicates are not allowed. Here I will click Continue, and now it is loading the valid comments. There are 255 comments that meet our criteria. The winner will be picked from among them. Here, we will pick the winner for the Google AI Pro for 12 months. And as you can see, this user has won. Now, if you are watching, please DM us on Instagram. And if this person has not met our criteria, we will pick another winner in their place. The Google AI Ultra has been won by this person. Okay, so if you are watching, simply DM us on our Instagram and we will hand over your account to you. As you can see, here I am, refreshing the time for you again. And you can see the date as well. Now, let me announce one more thing here. If either of these individuals has not met the criteria, meaning if they have not followed us on Instagram, then we will redraw this again and announce a new winner. Besides this, let me also tell you that for this video, we will be doing another giveaway here, which we will announce in the next few days. And furthermore, we will be doing more giveaways for Google Ultra accounts for our audience.